Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I am also good. So look here, what is day today? Today is 11th May 2021 and today the day is Tuesday. Our subject is English. In subject English we have already done the rhyming words. You have already done the rhyming words in your English notebook and you have already done in your English book also. Now today we are doing the revision. In the revision again we will do one page of English book and then you have to write rhyming words with pictures in your English notebook. Okay, your writing should be neat and clean. Each and every picture you have to draw by yourself. Okay, you will do that. Great. Okay, let's start. So students, this is your English book, page number 14. Paste stickers of rhyming words and name them. Here you can see a picture of a bag. You can take out the sticker from the back side of this book. Now I will show you from here. You have to take out the pictures. This is a picture of a bag. This is the sticker. You have to take out this sticker and then paste it in this place. Okay. And then you have to write the spelling. What is this? Bag, flag, ag, and then you will write the spelling bag. And whatever the spelling you will write, you have to write in cursive only. Okay. Now see this day, and this is a picture of a hay. Hay. You have to find out the sticker from the back side of this book and then paste it here. And then you have to write the spelling Hay. 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 Okay. Now here you can see pan, and this is picture of a man. You have to take out the sticker and paste it here. In the same way you have to paste the stickers in these pictures also. Okay, and then you have to write the spelling in cursive. Okay, now let's read. Say flag, bag, day, hay, p and pan, m and man, w all wall, h all hall, f are far, j are jar, pr am pram, pr am pram, r am ram, h at hat, k at cat, l ap lap, sn ap snap. So in this way you have to complete this page. After this you have to do one page of your English notebook. Now first you will write down the date. Today is 11/5/2021. Then you will write here rhyming words. Rhyming words. Okay. Now first you have to draw the picture. Suppose I am going to draw a picture of a, tell me what is this? Cat. So you will write here cat, and the rhyming word is rat. You can draw a picture of a rat. Rat, rat. Okay. Now next you can draw a picture of a bat. Then you have to write here b at bat, and the rhyming is you can draw a mat. And then you will write here mat. Fine. Next, now see this. This is very simple picture that you can draw. This is a flag. F-L, flag, flag. And in the cursive you have to write only flag. And here you can draw tag. Okay, tag. Tag, tag. Now see, tell me what is this? Tap. Tap, tap. And here you can draw map, and you will write here map. All the pictures you have to draw and you have to write also. This is a picture of a pen, and pan, and the rhyming is fan. Fan. Now this is a picture of a car. You have to write here car, and here you can draw star. Okay, so in this way you have to draw all the pictures, and then you have to write the rhyming words also. Each and every word you have to write in cursive. Please keep it in your mind. And moreover, one thing I want to tell you, when you will write in cursive, सारे लेटर्स जुड़े हुए होने चाहिए. क एट कैट, क्योंकि मैंने कुछ बच्चों का काम देखा था उसमें वर्ड्स आप जोड़कर नहीं लिखते हो. व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग इन कर्सिव, यूर ईच वर्ड शुड बी जॉइंट. ओके, सो you have to complete this work. Each letter you have to write join in a joining way. So complete this work, click the photograph, and then send it to me. Goodbye, take care of yourself.